This is the part of the campsite I'm at, just down here by the creek. It's a really nice little spot to come out and hang out. There's a snake in the water over there. Keep moving around. Come down here, catch some chubs and stuff all the time. That snake took off. I was trying to get a video of it. It's a decent little creek. Go up here and show you what it looks like. Got it going on back here. We got a bunch of firewood. What it looks like in here. Run an old outhouse down here. Don't bust that ass. Hope there's a bass sitting in this.
There's a bass. I have like a little sunfish chasing her.
These creeks, they go up and they fish can't get out of the spot, so might catch a bass out of this. We'll find out.
Why don't you just bring the jigsaw? Really? Biggie? Y'all see this? Y'all, he is tangled up.
You got around that little.
There he is. You got him? You got to pull him through that.
Now he's going around that thing got stuck.
Got this, Dad. See what happened, y'all. He got stuck underneath.
I'm not gonna get him. You just had to get around that.
He literally has a whole stick in his mouth.
You want me to get in? I'll get in. I'll grab him.
Oh, no, it's a little bit. Oh, oh. Let there be fish.
Damn. He's a fat one. Yo, look at this.
White jig, yo.
I was about to go get one of yours.
Give me a white jig. Let me go to you.
That's a fat little guy. He's cute. You got him spinning.
He gonna get busy.
I'll bring him back down. Look at this, y'all. Look at his eye.
You sound like your dad.
Little red eye. Look at that. That's the creek bass. Wonder how much you weigh. I want to see this. I ain't never used my thing yet.
Where's your white jigs at? Yeah, boy.
All right, y'all. So I got this brand new kit I got for my birthday, and I'm about to try to see how much this little. He's a little guy, and we'll see how much he weighs. I just want to see if it works.
Bigger one. That's what I was trying to get you. Then you found out tall. I think the bomb call you. That's a fat one.
I know. I was about to walk into the water.
Look, just take a look at it.
What happened to all your fat white jigs?
This it's a little over half a pound. That's the creek bass. Hey, can we call him we need to name him. You know what we gotta name him?
Red Eye Willie.
Nope.
Dizzy.
We're gonna name him
Oh, Nemo.
Nemo. Little Finn. Little Finn. Check it out. She's pregnant.
He is she.
Yeah, she's pregnant. But look at that nice little tool I got.
That is nice. Dad, where's your jigs?
Right there in my jig box.
You don't
White
have
one?
You don't have any more big white ones.
You throw your bow? Right in the tree. Got it back, doesn't it? And I just noticed this little guy got one missing on the bottom. We gotta fix that. The back is missing.
I have something like that, but he's big. That freaking fat one you caught, freaking Nemo.
That one is so funny.
He was fat. Oh, homeless.
He was a fat little guy.
story, guys. My dad was riding a four-wheeler. I was on the back of the trailer because he was hauling stuff. Bro was gonna hit a fence. I went flying off the damn pool. Over him. Literally over him. So,
Oh, good.
great times, great times.
Oh my God.
What?
A bee.
Stung by a bee.
My dad stepped on a bee. That little mofo right there. My brain. I'm not a Disney princess. He might still be in there. I ain't gonna lie. Sophia!
They're gonna lay down.
Talking about he ain't taking us through the woods. What is that?
Where we're going.
Is that really?
let y'all try it.
Oh,
Unless y'all want to try up under the bridge.
under the bridge.
Yeah, I never took you there.
We can do the bridge. We can try it with you.
The only thing bad about this spot is that it was tall grass, man. I said we just pull out here and
Say less.
was it fun down the back of there, Allie? Like I said, I'm way away from my camp spot. They own a lot of acres. So take my key. I have to unlock the gate to get out. I'll be working that truck to death. But yeah, this is why I go back here, catch some chubs and stuff like that. I just ain't fished back here for chubs this year. Last year I come out here, they didn't have a lock on here. This year they got a lock. Keep people out of here. Turn the truck off. Walk the bridge right here.
We're leaving here?
Yeah, just roll the window up. You walk down here with your pole. Let me get that badge. You got back too far. Was it scary coming up that hill a little bit? She said it was scary. Down here.
How you gonna get down there?
Right here. What do you mean
I'm scared of heights.
Yeah, I can't do that.
No, you ain't.
You're gonna hold on to this. Slash me. You're good.
You're good.
Oh my god, you guys told me.
Step right there. If I knew we were gonna be hiking, I wouldn't.
We ain't hiking. It's just a little. Look, this is a good spot. I'm trying to show you a nice little spot. Dude, I see some monsters back here, Joey.
Just think we're hiking. That's all we're doing. I'm trying to think about that.
Whoa, Nelly.
Don't do what my dad did.
You know, I got the wrong shoes on for this.
No, he really does.
Alright, now I'm down here under the bridge. It's a nice little jigging spot too. Look at this spot, Joey.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Allie, I won't let you get hurt. Pretty nice down here too. Huh? Yeah, I told you. Look at that. Just take a look at it.
You took it over here and like flew out the water. It's a pretty bass.
That's a creek bass, so that's why it ain't like it. On a white jig, I told you. You like that, what pole you got, yours?
Yeah, it's not my new one. I gotta fix the eye on
Joe,
that one.
remember what I showed you? No. Let me show you again. Here, hold my camera. Remember what I told you? You forgot already, look.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Look, it's bleeding. It's good. Here, let me take a video.
Little small little guy.
Come down here,
Why would you?
do a little bit of creek fishing. It's nice down here. I gotta get my waders so I can wade all the way down this whole creek. Julie, we're gonna be catching a lot of them bass and going creek fishing.
Yeah, let's start out with
You know that's a good bass to eat right there, them ones.
they're all furry. Ain't ugly or nothing.
Julie, you should put your jig on this boat. This boat wings.
One more time, and I'll put it on.
Yeah, put the.
Just start pulling. Like, straight up. You should have got your new jig pulled.
Down here at the creek, y'all. Down here under the bridge.
Grab it as is.
Well, I'll stand up here and help y'all up, but that thing's tangled.
Alright. Favorite part.
You good? Here, yeah.
Oh, I'm like,
Here, give me your hand.
I think this pole needs to go. I'm about to throw it.
get him.
Here,
Careful. I don't got.
here.
That was really fun.
What? We need to get waders. No.
Over here fishing up this little lake. Got some poles in the water.
Hold this, please.
Somebody lost two nice bobbers out there by that
I
fountain.
saw it when we were driving by. I thought someone was fishing for a minute.
Alright, y'all, got my waders on. Got the GoPro strapped to the chest. We about to go hit this wade in this water. Finally got me some nice waders. So we about to go hit the water, see what we can do. Alrighty then. Alright, we're down here. About to do some wading for the first time. That dude like he's in some regular shorts. Huh? We walk down this way. Oh yeah, she is nasty. You a sink? You a sink right there. Huh? It probably is deep. Y'all just gotta.
I feel like I'm floating.
You just gotta. You can feel the tightness against your legs. Feels good. You gotta watch the rocks though. You feel slippery a little bit.
It feels weird. Walk very slow. I feel like
It's getting a little deeper over here. It feels good on my legs. I like it. It kind of makes it feel like your pants is wet, but it ain't.
For me, it feels like I have so much extra like fabric, but I'm literally being squeezed, and also I might float away every time that I
I'm gonna try to do some.
Oh my god. Every time I step, it literally the current takes my foot.
I like it.
I don't like to know that I'm being pushed.
I'm definitely getting a bite on this white one. Oh yeah, I just had another one. You just gotta watch it now. I don't want to step in a hole over your head. Oh, got a snag, didn't I? Oh, pressure off the toes. That looked like a deep hole for real, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah? Take a picture of me. I'm taking a video of you. Man, where these fish at? They're definitely swimming. Swim somewhere.
Away from us? Because we come plunking in, I'd be fucking swim away from me too. toes up, man. It was nice for a minute.
Be nice to just find one jig, start biting.
I'm going with the wacky worm. Try this one. Ooh, clear sand. That feels a lot better than rock.
It just feels weird. You're foam in your pocket and it's drowning around water.
I know. I keep like feeling it to make sure like no water's in it.
Do what? Probably getting closer to it's pulling more harder this way. Down that way? We walking towards it, so we'll see. Well, you got another creek coming in on that side? That's probably a good spot to fish right there. Whoa.
A little scary.
Yeah, that right there in that spot, probably a good spot. She's pretty strong right here. I can feel it pulling me. Alex said she wasn't trying to walk across there. Ain't too bad. Pulls you a little bit. This way. Just gotta keep jigging all the way down, I guess. Look at the bird nest. That'll feel rain. We need to go up and over. Boy, that about messed up. I'm telling you, that sunk up to my knees right there. I couldn't get my legs out. What is it? Nah, that ain't bad. Down here where I'm at is a little stronger. Come on, you good? Huh?
I don't like it.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Come on, you good?
No, that shit was about to
You
take my
good?
ass
You
away.
good? It over there is a little deeper and it was way stronger. She said, oh my God, it's about to take me away. Well, we're getting our legs worked out today, ain't we?
It's so weird when you get out of the water. It feels like...
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try this little area and see what happens. If I can get my pole on my back. Let's see what happens over here. I am, y'all, about sunk down to my damn neck over there. Oh, got one. Yeah. Got one, y'all. Little catfish, I think. Nope.
What is that?
Hold up. That's a
Whoa. He's cool.
We're moving. Walleye, I think.
Yeah, I got teeth.
Ah, we got one, man.
Heck yeah.
White jig.
Yeah. But it's a hybrid between a walleye and a sauger.
Y'all, take my picture with me, Joy. One time. Got me one.
It's always you.
Look, I can't video myself, y'all.
So we're
What?
switching to a white one.
Got one.
And we're fishing right here. Dang that. Got your spots down there.
That's alright.
No, I want Allie to catch one.
You throw a white jig on it. You just see him hitting on the jig.
I got a white jig.
You do? Come over here in this gully. You see this little spot? And I was reeling it and I felt it smacked it too. A walleye. I knew that was a walleye though. Yeah, oh yeah, they got teeth. Oh, I just had another bite. Yeah, come over here, Allie. I just had another bite.
Y'all want me to catch this so bad.
I do. I really do.
Not a good time. Cut that out.
You're saying I need to be pointing towards you, huh? So when you do something wrong, I can catch it.
Cut that out. Cut that out.
Yeah, like I said, I just had another bite. That's why I'm ready to move in the country, man. I can shoot my guns. You just got to throw over towards the mat sinkhole over there. Well, we know damn well they biting on that white jig because they just bit. I just got one.
It's always a white jig. If you catch one, it's gonna slap me in the back of the head.
Alex said, no you didn't. I had one for real, didn't I?
Bro, here comes over there.
You throw yours way over there?
No,
What the hell was that jumping over there then?
that's it. Oh, okay. You think I had a little bite, guys? Or a snag? One of the two.
Wait till you catch one of them big old walleyes, bigger than one I just caught.
There, they got big teeth.
Oh, they get you. You don't watch it. Just like them alligator guards, them motherfuckers get you. I think I was reeling like super slow.
Cut that out. Oh, she's looking at her.
Oh, good thing you got
scared me.
pliers. They got that hook on there.
That's exactly why I did that. Oh, you better be careful. I heard that. What the hell is that? I don't know.
What?
It sounded like a little animal. Okay. Something chirped at her.
You're gonna fall down. You try to walk over there on that.
Her whole foot was gone.
Man, we gotta walk our way back that way, and
Yeah,
it's
we
muddy.
do. Yeah, we do. It's gonna be us. We're laughing. But that's not
Yeah,
us.
it's definitely gonna be me. I'm the heaviest.
I would just walk on the surface.
Well, I think I'm gonna walk that way then. I know I got pissed so damn bad.
That's snag.
You got it?
Yeah. And on that note, there you go. Hopefully, I don't get stuck.
Oh, we're gonna get sink down to our necks. I am.
Yeah, we might be pulling you out with a rope. We're gonna have to go get the strap.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get me a tow rope to pull myself out. Look at them tadpoles cruising. That's how I felt over there, but it was up this high. If I would have fell down, I would have been in the water. We're in Tadpole City right here. Oh,
my shoes too big. So when I put my foot, it goes that way.
Damn, Julie, why you walk this way?
Why should I follow?
Follow the leader.
You good over there?
Oh,
It's sinking.
take that. My whole foot came out.
Here, let me help you get up here.
Oh, it's okay. I just gotta.
You gotta do something. You done fell once.
I gotta hold my pants.
Oh, God. Damn. God. You good?
Yeah, it's because anytime I lifted my foot up, my foot came up my pants.
Holy.
I'm still sinking too.
We still gotta go that way through the sinkhole.
That was good. That was good. Not the piece of pizza. It burnt.
Million ants on it.
You look all clean. Look at that.
Well, I think I'm about to walk my ass to the truck so I can take these off and take a piss.
When we get home.
Well, that's gonna be it for the day. We come down here, we did some creek fishing, caught one walleye. We had a nice little adventure. We were sinking up to our knees in mud. It was pretty fun. Come out here, fish with the girls today, and have fun with them. So today, I will catch you on the next one. Peace. Alright, so I got my eBay dual exhaust for this truck. I got the pipes right here. Trying to test fit right now. Then I'm gonna weld it all in. But got the new